Hello guys, my name is Lego Bricks, and in this video I'm going to show you something very exciting, but it's actually not up here, it's down here. I got a lot of used Lego for very cheap. So it came in that Lego box and in that plastic bag. I don't know how heavy it is, but it is a lot of sets and it is a lot of Lego, as you can see. And I only paid $15 for all these Lego sets. Two base plates, and these base plates alone new are worth more than $15, and they are in like new condition. So even if I have only purchased these two things, it would have been a good deal. There is some really good stuff in it. I took out some minifigs. We have the Yeti, a Minecraft zombie, a Minecraft Steve, what is this, a Santa Claus, and this thing from The Simpsons. So all I have to do now is sort all of these. So with the power of editing, let's go in the future. And now it's all sorted. It took me 5 days to sort all of these parts, and I sorted by color because that's how my collection is sorted, but I also sorted it by type a little bit. So I have the BS plates here, the larger plates there, all foliage and stuff like that here, windows, some things I didn't take apart, then all the colors, tires, minifigures, Technic, and these cloth pieces. So this is around 15 sets, but I'm not quite sure. I will try to go on Brickset and make a list of all the sets that was in this haul. So what did we learn in conclusion? Well, these were mostly Friends sets, but even Friends sets have some really great parts. Like, look at all these cool shades of yellow and orange and green. I mean, you do get a lot of pink, but it's not just pink, you get a lot of other colors. So, if you are looking for some used sets for cheap, if it's a Friends set, it's still a great deal because you will get loads of useful pieces out of it, and even the pieces that you're probably not going to use are good addition to your collection, because I didn't have this color before and I didn't even know this color existed, and now I know. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. If you did, consider subscribing so you will get notified when I upload, and well, keep on building as always.